Welcome back, everybody. So I want to break down one of the most important parts about a consultation that people might be skipping during the initial conversation you have with your stylist, or if you are a client talking to a stylist about a change and you're getting both cut and color, you need to discuss both of those services at the same time. Because if you are discussing a certain color that you want and you also want to cut most of your hair off, or you're going to want to change your style with your haircut, it's going to change the way we color your hair. And a lot of stylists either departmentalize, where they just do color and then you have another person who does the cutting. It's important that both stylists are there for that consultation so they can both kind of team up on what you guys are going to be doing for that service. I've seen it happen quite a few times in the salon where someone wasn't on the same page, a stylist, where someone was doing a cut and someone was doing a color, and you obviously get your color first, and that person who was doing a cut wasn't part of that consultation. When they got their hair colored, a good amount of that color was cut off. And that would be easily avoided if you had both of the consultations before any services are started. So if you are a client sitting in a chair and you are doing a big change, make sure you let that stylist know that you're thinking about cutting your hair off. Another part of the consultation that I wanted to bring up is when you are showing a stylist a picture, and it is a picture of a color you like, or it's a picture of a cut that you like, make sure you specify that it's the color you like in that picture or it's a cut you like in that picture. Because if you don't explain that to them, they may be thinking that you want that color or you want that cut, and you're going to be getting a result that you are not going to be happy with. So if you have multiple pictures, which I do agree with, I think you should bring in pictures and some kind of a starting point for a stylist to go off of, but you have to let them know this is the haircut that I like and this is the color that I like. Because sometimes I've seen this happen also where the stylist is looking at the picture and they love that particular haircut and then they start cutting when you just like the color. So it's really important that you describe what it is about that picture to the stylist that you like. And if it's a cutting picture, to let them know that, hey, this is only the haircut. I'm not talking about the color. I just like this cut. Or this is only the color, so nothing gets confused there and you leave unhappy. Any question or comments about consultations, leave them in the comment box below. I will love to answer them. And I hope this kind of helped you get into the right direction of how to communicate with your stylist on what it is that you want. And stylists out there, it's really important that you master the consultation, because that is the starting point of every service in your salon. So if you're not a master at communication, you need to better those skills so you can actually pull the information out of your clients so you can get to the result that they truly want. All right, guys, I will see you guys next time. Make sure you click subscribe, or make sure you click follow or like or whatever, and share the video and tag a friend and let everyone know about this video, and hope you love it. Bye.